At Zillow Group, we're committed to connecting premier agents with real home shoppers active on our network of sites. When a home shopper is on Zillow or Trulia, she has the option to select a specific agent to contact. If she selects you, we send the home shopper's contact info and the property details to you. That lead is yours. Most often, though, home shoppers don't pick a specific agent. When they don't make a selection, we reach out to the home shopper to determine if they're ready for an agent, and if so, when they'd like to begin the conversation. If they're not quite ready, we deliver the lead to a premier agent for them to nurture. Now here's how it works when a home shopper is ready to speak with an agent. We connect home shoppers to premier agents live by telephone. And what if you can't take the call? No big deal. As long as you aim to answer 50% of our calls, you will receive your fair share of connections. Now, if you can take the call, we send you the home shopper's information, including the property she is interested in, before we introduce you. A connection like this is almost as good as a referral. The connection's details are available for reference in your Premier Agent app and inbox, so you can follow up after your call and continue the conversation. And your information, including a link to your profile, is sent to your new connection by email and text to further cement your relationship. Finally, we automatically create a 30-day My Agent relationship between you and your new connection. Now when she returns to our site, she won't see any other buyer's agents on the listing she views. Instead, she will see a contact form that shows only you on it. And better yet, you'll know exactly how many times this happens, because you'll gain visibility into the homes she's viewing, saving, and searching for, all from within the Premier Agent app. This process meets home buyers' on-demand expectations and helps you get greater value from your advertising dollars. Introducing you to real home shoppers by phone makes it 4 times more likely that your new connection will work with you moving forward to find a home they love. When a home buyer purchases a home on Zillow through a Premier Agent, we all win. Let's keep winning together.